We are solving a system of equations. The first equation is 4x minus y equals 20. The second is negative 2x minus 2y equals 10. I'm going to use this one by elimination. So when I look at it, I see that the way I've got it written, I've got the x's over the x's, the y's over the y's, so it's a good place to just start. And from either way I want to look at this, it doesn't really matter. I see the 4 on top with the x, and I see the negative 2 on bottom with the x. So I'm going to take the bottom equation and multiply it by 2. So the top equation will be the same, 4x minus y equals 20. And the bottom equation, when I multiply it by 2, will be negative 4x minus 4y equals 20. Now in that case, what I can do is I can add both equations together, and the 4x minus the 4x cancel each other out. So in this process, I'm able to get rid of the x's. And then I'll combine the other things. So negative y and negative 4y will be minus 5y. 20 and 20 will be 40. So negative 5y equals 40. So I'm going to divide both sides by negative 5 to get y completely by itself. So I get y equals negative 8. Now, I've probably done a majority of the work so far, but it's only half the answer. So I have to go back and I also have to find x. And I can take either of my original equations. I'm going to take the first one and I'm going to say 4x minus, I'm going to plug in my value of negative 8 for y, equals 20. So a little bit cleaner, 4x plus 8 equals 20. Then I want to start trying to get x by itself. So I'm going to pull the 8 over. So I'm going to subtract 8 from both sides. So I have 4x equals 12. Divide by the 4 and I'll have x equals 3. So x equals 3 and y equals negative 8 are the answers that solve this equation. Now I could come back and I could plug those numbers in for the variables in the original. Why is it not working? And I could see if it balances in both, and it has to balance in both of them for it to be a solution. Thank you.